Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to pin a folder to your class and how to add content from that folder to your lesson planner. So let's get started. Once you have logged into your account, click everything at the top and then click Folders from the left-hand side. Click the folder you'd like to pin and then click Pin to Class in the top right corner. Choose your class from the menu and then click the blue Pin button. You can view the pin folder by clicking View Class at the bottom, or you can go to Everything at the top and click Classroom from the left-hand side. From here, click the class you pinned the folder to. Pinned folders are found in the content drawer in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click the blue content drawer button and then click Folders at the top. This is where you'll find your pinned folders. To begin adding material, click the folder and then check off the box next to materials you'd like to add to your lesson planner. Once you have selected your materials, choose where you would like to add them and then click the blue Apply button. You'll then see the content added to your lesson planner. There are a couple more ways you can pin a folder. From your folders page, you can pin a folder by clicking the three dots next to it and then clicking Pin to Class. You can also pin a folder from your lesson planner by clicking the content drawer at the bottom and clicking Folders at the top. From here, click the button that says Pin Folders. You can search for a folder or check off the box next to a folder from the list. Once you've found your folders, you can click Save. You'll then see that these folders have been pinned. That's it for this video on how to pin folders to your class and how to add content from that folder to your lesson planner. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.